With dilution, you're trying to make a solution a little bit more dilute, and I often just think of it as Oros. So if you were to kind of get a bottle of Oros over here, and it was all concentrated, and you now wanted to make a glass that you could drink over here, you would only take a little bit of this and pop it into there, and get a little bit of the concentrated stuff over there, and then you would fill it up with water, and then you would have a dilute amount of whatever you were looking for. So that's what we're going to do, and we're going to work out how one does that. So how many grams of potassium hydroxide are there in 200 centimeters cubed of a 0,5 molar potassium hydroxide solution? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to work out the number of moles, and number of moles is equal to concentration times volume. Times volume, and that is going to be equal to 0,15, and I need to change the volume into decimeters cubed by dividing by 1000, and I land up with an answer of 0,03 moles. But that wasn't the question, it was how many grams. So if I'm looking for mass, mass is equal to number of moles times molar mass, and potassium hydroxide is K, valency 1, hydroxide is as a group has a valency of 1, so it's KOH, and that is 40 plus 1 plus 39 plus 1 plus 16, and that turns out to be 56. So then we get 0,03 multiplied by 56, and you get 1,68 grams. That's the first part, which is very standard and something that you have done already. The next one is how much water needs to be added to 400 centimeters cubed, so that's 0,4 decimeters cubed, of the above solution in order to obtain a diluted solution of that concentration over there. So the first thing I do is I work out how many moles have I got in the solution. I'm going to draw two different containers, okay? So we've got this, it's my first container, and this is my second container. My first container is, I'm going to take 400 centimeters cubed, which is the same as 0,4 decimeters cubed, and the concentration is 0,15. In my second container, I am going to have a concentration of 0,06 molar. And I don't know what my volume is going to be, and what is going to be the same from both of these is it's going to be the same number of moles. Well, you haven't calculated the number of moles here yet. You can say number of moles is equal to concentration times volume, which is equal to 0,15 multiplied by 0,4. And you're going to land up with 0,06 moles. Now, I take those moles, because they told me I'll take 400 centimeters cubed, and I put them into this container. And then I work out a volume. And volume is going to be equal to number of moles divided by concentration, 0,06 divided by 0,06 by some convenient coincidence. And I get 1 decimeter cubed. But the question asks how much water needs to be added to that to get to 1 decimeter cubed. Well, I already had 0,4 decimeters cubed, so how much water needs to be added? So I need to add 1 minus 0,4, which is equal to 0,6 decimeters cubed.